Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I Muhammad Abdul Habib welcome you all to AIMS tutorial for accounts. In this video, I'll be explaining the chapter Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organizations under Unit 3, Chapter 3 for Intermediate Second Year Students for Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Let us discuss exercise problem, page number 124, question number 1. From the following details, prepare receipts and payments account. Opening balance of cash 1500, opening balance of bank 4500, subscriptions collected 8000, entertainment show receipts 4000, entrance fee received 2000, computer purchase 3000, tournament expenses 3000, entertainment show expenses 1800, paid for periodicals 1200, salaries paid 1200, rent paid 4000, cash in hand at close 1800. So now we are required to prepare receipts and payments account. Here is the solution, receipts and payment, and the heading is receipts and payments account for the year ended. The format for receipts and payments account is receipts amount rupees, payments amount rupees. Towards extreme left will be writing DR debit, towards extreme right will be writing CR credit. How do we prepare receipts and payments account? Receipts and payments कैसा बनाते हैं हम? Receipts का मतलब the cash is coming, payments का मतलब cash is going, receipts का मतलब पैसे आना, payments का मतलब पैसे जाना. अगर पैसे आ रहे तो receipts में लिखिए, पैसे जा रहे तो payments में लिखिए. Here is the question, opening balance of cash, opening bank balance. मतलब अपने पास cash 1500 है और bank balance 4500 है. Opening balance is always recorded as to balance brought down. So the format is receipts amount rupees, payments amount rupees, and on receipt side you will be writing it as to balance brought down. Opening balance of cash is 1500 and opening balance of bank is 4500. So opening balance of cash and bank will be recorded here as to balance brought down, cash 1500, बैंक 4500. नेक्स्ट सब्सक्रिप्शंस कलेक्टेड. सब्सक्रिप्शंस कलेक्टेड में क्या हो रहा, पैसे आ रहे. सो इफ कैश इज कमिंग इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन रिसीप्ट साइड, इफ कैश इज गोइंग इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन पेमेंट साइड. तो सब्सक्रिप्शंस कलेक्टेड में पैसे आ रहे, सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन रिसीप्ट साइड. सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड एज टू सब्सक्रिप्शंस collected 8000 rupees. Next after subscriptions we have entertainment show receipts 4000 rupees. तो entertainment show receipts का मतलब entertainment show के पैसे आ रहे, so it will be shown on receipt side as to entertainment show receipts 4000 rupees. To entertainment show receipts 4000 rupees. Next after entertainment show receipts we have entrance fees received 2000 rupees. So entrance fees के पैसे आ रहे, again it will be shown on receipt side as to entrance fees received 2000 rupees. Next we have computer purchase. Computer purchase का मतलब आप कंप्यूटर खरीद रहे जिसकी वजह से पैसा पे करना पड़ता. So cash is going, so this will be recorded on payment side as buy computer purchased 3000 rupees. Next after computer purchase we have tournament expenses 3000 rupees. Tournament expenses आप पे कर रहे, so again it means that you are paying for it, it is a payment, so it will be shown on credit side as buy tournament expenses. तो इस तरफ बताएंगे आप buy tournament expenses 3000 rupees. नेक्स्ट एंटरटेनमेंट शो एक्सपेंसेस. एंटरटेनमेंट शो एक्सपेंसेस में क्या कर रहे हैं आप, कैश पे कर रहे हैं, सो कैश इज गोइंग, सो इट विल बी शोन एज ए पेमेंट ऑन पेमेंट साइड एज बाय एंटरटेनमेंट शो एक्सपेंसेस 1800 rupees. Next we have paid for periodicals 1200 rupees. We are paying for periodicals, so again cash is going, so it will be shown on payment side as buy periodicals 1200. Next after periodicals we have salaries paid 1200. So salaries paid में again you are paying cash, so it is a payment, it will be shown on payment side as buy salaries 1200 by salaries. Next after salaries we have rent paid 4000 rupees. Again you are paying for rent, so again cash is going from the organization, so it will be shown on credit side as buy rent. So here it will be shown as buy rent 4000 rupees. Next after rent we have cash in hand at close 1800. So closing balance will always be shown as by balance carried down. So we have closing balance of cash in hand as 1800. In this problem we had opening balance for cash as well as opening balance for bank. तो ये प्रॉब्लम में ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश भी था, ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक भी था, जिसको आप टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन, कैश 1500 बताए, बैंक 4500 बताए. So similarly in this problem we also have closing balance, but closing balance is given only for cash in hand, that is no closing balance has been given for cash at bank. So we have recorded only closing balance of cash in hand. Now we need to find the value of closing balance of cash at बैंक, क्योंकि ओपनिंग बैलेंस जब कैश और बैंक दोनों का है तो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस भी कैश और बैंक दोनों का रहना. बट प्रॉब्लम है ओपनिंग बैलेंस कैश बैंक दोनों की स्पेसिफाई करा हुआ है, बट क्लोजिंग बैलेंस हैज बीन स्पेसिफाइड ओनली फॉर कैश. सो हाउ डू वी फाइंड द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस फॉर कैश एट बैंक? So first we'll be doing the total on receipt side and then we'll be doing the total on payment side. 4,000 plus 1,000, 5,000 plus 1,000, 6,000 plus 4,000, 10,000 plus 8,000, 18,000 plus 2,000, 20,000. The total on receipt side is 20,000. Coming to the total on payment side, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16,000. The total on receipt side is 20,000, whereas the total on payment side is 16,000. So 20,000 is more than 16,000. So 20,000 will be recorded on receipt side as well as 20,000 will be recorded on पेमेंट साइड. तो यहाँ पे रिसिप्ट्स का टोटल 20,000 आ रहा और पेमेंट्स का टोटल 16,000 आ रहा. दोनों में कौन सा टोटल ज्यादा है? 20,000 ज्यादा है. सो 20,000 विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन रिसिप्ट साइड एज वेल एज 20,000 विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन पेमेंट साइड. अब इस तरफ 20,000 टोटल लिखे. व्हेन वी हैव एडेड ऑल दीज वैल्यूज वी आर गेटिंग 20,000, बट हियर वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड 20,000, बट हियर द टोटल इज ओनली 16,000. सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 16,000 फ्रॉम 20,000 वी आर लेफ्ट आउट विद एन अमाउंट ऑफ 4,000 रुपीज विच विल बी द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस फॉर बैंक. तो ये जो 4,000 है ये कैसा आया आपको? रिसिप्ट्स का टोटल 20,000 में से क्या करें हम? पेमेंट्स का टोटल 16,000 माइनस करें. तो अपना आंसर क्या है? 4,000 रुपीज विच विल बी दी क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक विच विल बी रिकॉर्डेड हियर एज कैश एट बैंक 4,000 रुपीज. Hope you have understood the topic and hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel AIMS Tutorial for Accounts. And if you are a new subscriber to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Do like my video, post your valuable comments and do share it with your friends, relatives and all. Your one share can help someone to learn something. See you all in next video. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.